It is not without purpose that in this house I had firmly indicated that this is not a place for free fall of information. Every member of the house has full authority to express anything. Every member has a right of freedom which is constitutionally protected. But that freedom comes with a rider. Whatever the member says, that has to be authenticated. A newspaper reporting is not authentication. No. Primary material. Suppose something is reported about. One second. Mr. Chidambaram, you are yet to respond. The matter is under my consideration. One second. Let Mr. Chidambaram have a say for a moment. Because his matter is pending with me. He has failed to authenticate a very important issue.
How else does a member authenticate the Prime Minister's speech made in some part of the country? How else does he authenticate?
Yes, I'll tell you.
How else? Please tell us. How else does he authenticate?
I'll tell you. Mr. Chidambaram is a distinguished senior advocate. I have been one myself. Let me tell you, you came to my chamber, you are forcing me now. You came to my chamber when a communication was sent to you because you took a snipe shot at the Prime Minister, putting a video clip. I directed you to authenticate it. You came to me, how do I authenticate? I said, you are a lawyer, distinguished lawyer, get assistance of another lawyer. The law is very clear. It is a primary material. No. One is your by side. Khadge ji, I would urge you, taking note of your stature, please, nothing will go on record, Chidambaram ji. No.
How else does a citizen of this country?
Chidambaram ji, you every time rise only to make a point so that you can hit the headlines. Nothing will go on record. No, nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. No, nothing will go on record. No, Mr. Chidambaram, no. You must conduct yourself consistent with your stature. No. I have already ruled in this house. My ruling stands that any member who makes any factual assertion has to authenticate it in the manner already indicated. Look behind. The front row must look behind what their members are gesticulating. Shame on us.
No,
This conduct is ignoble.
ऑथेंटिकेशन करने का बहुत से तरीके आप
ऐसा कीजिए सर, आप अपनी बात कहिए और फिर चेंबर में अपनी बात करेंगे. I don't want to see that your address is so interrupted even from your own
मेरे
side.
को कोई चेंबर में काम नहीं आपसे, उनका दिखता ना आपके लिए. चिदम्बर साहब के लिए बोले.
चिदम्बरम साहब अब तक जवाब नहीं दे पाए हैं. एक साल से उस बात को पेंडिंग रखा है मैंने. नो सर, यू आर येट टू डू इट.
देखिए वो बात मैं जो रख रहा हूँ इसके आधार पर आप बहुत से पेपर को भी जरा अच्छे समझते हैं.
कौन सा पेपर?
वो तो चौकम ऑल पेपर्स, न्यूज पेपर्स.
नो. I'm so sorry.
टीवी, न्यूज़पेपर,
anything can appear in a paper.
जो वीडियो,
No.
इसको सब समझते हैं ना.
I'm so
ठीक
sorry.
है.
I'm so sorry.
देखिए और
From this chair, I cannot allow this lawlessness.
एक कांग्रेस के
Anything
लोग
appear in chair about anyone? Do
संपत्ति
we take it as
इकट्ठी
authenticated?
करके
No.
किसको बांटेंगे?